Hi, welcome to the Kansas City Skinny, brought to you by the Kansas City Regional Association of Realtors, where we dig into the most recent numbers from our market. The third quarter of 2015 has ticked its last talk, and the real estate market is experiencing a healthy number of good omens. The job market has shown continual improvement, jobless rates are down, real average hourly and weekly earnings have been up, and there has been good news in new household formation. Pending sales increased 16.9% from 2014 to 9,658 for the quarter. Closed sales increased 12.4% from 2014 to 10,347 for the quarter. People are clearly still interested in buying homes beyond summer based on the increase in sales. Inventory experienced a decline when compared to this time last year. Inventory levels market-wide were down 26.1% to 10,108 units. When fewer homes are on the market, it doesn't always indicate negativity in real estate. It may be that homes are being sold at a healthy pace or that other metrics are experiencing gains. The median sales price rose compared to last year at this time, increasing 4.2% to $172,000. Prices continue to show year after year increases through the end of the third quarter. Month supply of inventory was down 33.3% to 3.4 months. Percent of list price received at sale climbed higher, which is indeed a cause for sellers to rejoice. Percentage of original list price received at sale rose to 95.5% since last year. With positive economic news coming from many angles, there are no imminent factors to prepare for beyond the typical seasonal drop-off. From the mouths of market-analyzing pundits, we are in the midst of one of the healthiest housing markets in the past 15 years. The one thing we were anticipating in September, an increase in interest rates, did not happen. It most likely will before year's end. Until then, get out and enjoy the season. That's the Heartland Quarterly Market Report for this quarter. Check back next quarter for the latest.